Hello, Internet, and this is the first series of a series of videos from Tech Computer Wizard. So, in today's show, we will be talking about how to fix your Wi-Fi internet. So, I'm guessing one time or another, you've logged onto your computer and you want to check email or check something, and you get that. This page cannot be displayed. Now, this is probably because if you're using wireless internet, this is messed up. Now, if you're using not wireless internet, this is not the video to be watching right now, so I recommend stopping right now if you're not using a wireless router. Now, a wireless router is one of those big box things, you know, they look like that, they have an antenna coming out of them. Yours might say Linksys on it, that's what mine says. So, and it should say wireless router right on it. And that is what gives off your internet. Now, it's also plugged into your computer is a modem, and it's usually a big box, and it's below your computer, usually. Now, not necessarily, so if you don't know what it is, ask somebody else who does know what it is. So, if you want to fix this, obviously, you're going to need to do a couple of things, and starting with shutting your computer down. So, you have to shut your computer down. Once you do that, look at your router. On the back of your router, there should be a bunch of cords. Unplug the black ones and the smaller white one. And make sure you put these back in the correct slots when I say to put them back, because that could mess up your phone line also. So 4, find your modem and unplug that power cord. Now you're going to have to wait a few minutes for everything to get situated, and then once you're done waiting a couple minutes, remember your computer's still shut down right now. Plug everything back in. Now that sounds simple enough, right? That might be what your problem is. It could be your IP address, or it could be your DNS. So that might be the problem with it, and that should work. So after that, your computer, and it looks like everything would be good after that. This usually works for me. Now, if this doesn't work, there is a very useful tool that I know of. It's called the Comcast Desktop Doctor, and if anything else is wrong with it, it'll automatically detect the problems and usually fix it within a few minutes. So I recommend downloading this if you're having trouble with Wi-Fi. I don't know how you would get it if you don't have the internet, but even if you think you run to Wi-Fi or you frequently run to it, I strongly recommend downloading the Comcast Desktop Doctor for your Wi-Fi fixing. So here's a look at your steps once again. It's pretty simple enough, and that should be the way to fix your Wi-Fi internet. This works with mobile devices as well as your computer itself. It's worked very useful for me with mobile devices, so try that out too if you're experiencing trouble with Wi-Fi on those. And remember, any questions can be emailed for the show to youtubecomputerwizard@gmail.com, and I'll type that out for you. So that video was pretty simple enough. I hope your Wi-Fi gets fixed, and hope to see you again watching the next video. Thanks.